treat daw.
No problem.
Good morning! Where are we? We're in Osaka. Good morning! And Papa is working out. What are we going to do today? We're going to see fishies. How does the fish swim? Wow! Fish! It's a fish? Where's the fish? Fish!
Isis! Kinilig ka sa fish, pumunta kang dampa. Ang dami doon. Oh, pwede ka luto pag gusto mo.
Penguin. You say penguin?
Isis kissing the penguin. Ang penguin halikan, ako hindi. Hi, penguin. Isis kissing the penguin. Penguin. Isis.
Baba daw kayo, baba.
Isis.
Wow! Wow!
Dolphins. Look, dolphin, no? Gusto mo bumalik ng isda. Where's the diver? Look.
Swimming? Hi daw sa diver. Hi, diver! Ay, sus! Ikikiss mo yung diver.
Pambihira, di mo mga nakikita yung mukha, kikiss mo na. Ako nandun ako nung pinanganak, di mo pa ako ginagawa. Pambihira bata. Luging-lugi ako dito. Do you want to be a diver when you grow up? Mama and Papa will teach you. This is... Okay.
Bakit ako ganito magsalita? Hindi ka na magbalik?
Go na daw.
Okay, ayaw na din.
Lakad kami today dahil magla-lunch kami sa Dotonbori. Ang nagturo ng restaurant na to ay si Kuni. Mamimit niyo si Kuni soon. Wow! Ay, sus. Okay, mwah. Okay, mwah. Yeah, that's a bird. How does the bird fly? Tweet, tweet. Hi, Shadow.
Hey, sis. Why are you kissing the bird? Hi. Can I see your cute face? Hi, sis. Hi, sis. One last, Peanut. Cute face. Hi, sis. Hi, sis. Peanut, good morning. Can I see your cute face? Hi, sis. Hi, sis. Hi. Papa. Papi. Day trip, papuntang Kyoto. Aldrich. At Roy's Japan Tours. Ay, kusip ko muna isa pang Aldrich.
Ayan, papasok na tayo sa secret daanan ni Kuya Roy dito sa Arashiyama.
Si Kuya Roy, may alam daw siya na secret na daanan ng Bamboo Forest.
Tapos pagkalusot mo na ng dulo ng Bamboo Forest, nandoon na yung SM Bikutan.
Bikutan na yun. Tapos nandun ang Toda. Bear? That's Bear? Where?
Where's the flower?
Where's the flower? Where? Oh, Jesus naman, that's the flower.
How much do you love Mama?
How much do you love Papa?
How much do you love Papa?
Ay, sus. Love you, Peanut. Ay, sus, kinilig. Okay, nandito kami ngayon sa Bamboo Forest sa Osaka. At sino nagdala sa amin? Ang the best. Brother Roy, ikasama dyan. Uy, naghahanda. Brother Roy in the house. Kung may kailangan kayong service, Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, Sapporo, kahit saan.
Anywhere in Japan. Okinawa.
Siyang dapat niyong makilala. The best service, napakadaling kausap, and very prompt at importante. Ano ang account mo, Brother Roy?
Roy Japan Tour TV sa Facebook page at saka sa YouTube channel.
Eksakto, share ko na lang ito, mabilisan lang to. Siyempre lahat sa Bamboo Forest, yung isang daanan, yung may 800 meter walk pa, di ba?
Yeah.
Alam niyo lahat ng pasikot-sikot sa Japan. Yung mga, ito sa Bamboo Forest, yung babaan namin, yung highlight agad. Basta anywhere, Tokyo, Japan, kung coaster kailangan nyo, van, kahit ano pa.
Yes.
Brother Roy is the way to go. Thank you very much, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Habang nag-Japan, umamin sa akin si How
Oo.
na gusto na rin niya maging ate si Peanut.
Matagal naman na, pero may mga bagay lang tayo na gustong tapusin.
Ice cream. Kasi umiinit ang mga katawan namin. Kailangan magpalamig ng konti.
having a dinner in where? Matsusaka. You know, Matsusaka means, ang Matsusaka means, minamasahe yung mga baboy dyan. Kaya mahal. Baka? Ay, yung meat pala. Yung baka, yung meat.
Say hi, Kuni!
Anything food, anything Osaka actually, Kuni's the guy to know. Pinoy yan, wag kayo ko. Never nawala yung Philippine flag. Never. And yung red glasses niya. Never. Anything Osaka, anything. It's Kuni.
Yan na. Sinong excited na naka-Tokyo shirt?
Thank you, Kuni. Thank you.
Madeline?
Dear Luisan, thank you for coming again, Matsusaka, and enjoy your dinner. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Each sake.
Happy Friday!
Wow, you know what? This was a good year.
Sarap. So ito yung beef sushi.
Try ko na siya, pero dun sa kabila.
Grabe, sarap. Grabe, no?
Grabe.
Garlic rice ng M. Matsusaka sa pinakamasarap na kanin na natikman ko. Sobra tong kanin na to.
Egg drop soup pala.
Chef natin, nanay ni Shansai. Super sarap.
Super sarap.
I remember in your food crawl you have you know, people say that it's a big no-no to eat raw chicken, but you know, a place
Yes,
that has,
something we serve in
there's a
raw
place
chicken, raw food, something special in Osaka.
but here there's chicken sashimi.
Yes,
right?
sashimi is that Japanese is always crazy. We eat almost all the food, sashimi food. Chicken sashimi, also pork sashimi.
But even pork?
Yes, we have.
Is
And some the whole
is it-
sashimi.
Is it safe to eat?
Yeah, they're safe.
Yuzu.
Yuzu, exactly.
I love you, yuzu. Diba, yuzu.
Is it lemon? Yes.
It's kinda lemon.
Go party, bottoms up.
No, mom's out.
Go bottoms up.
Little and little.
Okay.
It's not tequila.
It's really strong.
This is the
It's strong.
sake.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Refreshing.
Delicious. Yummy. Refreshing.
Okay.
And then ito
This
naman
This is
ay
more than
ice cream.
Refreshing in your mouth.
Is it sake here?
This is the sake.
Is it like headache after? Because
No,
it's
this is
hungover a
fresh.
lot.
No headache.
Sarap. Good morning! Where are we going? We're going to the park! We're going to see flowers! We're going to Namba Park.
Some people say money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. It's what I've got. You couldn't put a price on that.
Piling ko yun.
Lahat ng nakikita ko yan.
Bipiling ko.
Got something real.
Ma, hiningal ka na? Hiningal ako sa isang taas mo.
Try to get by if you don't have a reason.
Pagod na ako.
Hindi, akit pa tayo. Akit pa tayo. Wala, wala.
Go around, 'cause I got something real.
pakiramdam?
Finally, napagod na siya.
Pagod ka na,
Inakyat niya
girl.
yung buong.
Bones gym na lang ako. Hi.
Happy? Ay, tingnan mo yung itsura niya. Sis, napagod ka, sis. Ha? Naharbat mo na.
Ano bang ano ito? Sa akin ba?
Sa'yo yan, kuya, kasi yan.
Ay pala ba yan?
Kaya pa.
Tulungan niyo ako. Sa mga nakakapanood dito, tulungan niyo ako.
Si Mickey.
Call mami. Hello? Hello? Call mami. Call mama. Ay, hello niya. Hello niya. Nag-shopping. Nag-shopping si Baguette.
Ayun, naubos pera na.
Halata.
Okay lang, basta masaya ka.
Oh, deserve. Deserve naman ni Baguette, sir. Kuya.
Dito pala kayo?
Kaya pa? Laban sa buhay.
Again, show them. Ay, sus!
Where's the rooster? Can you give Mama the rooster? Woo! Day 2.
Oh.
Day 2 sa M. Matsusaka.
Day 2. Anli. Oh. Oh my God.
Once again demonstrated by the one and only Day 2, Kuni!
Okay, give me the plates.
Yung plate mo, Kuni. Usi.
Wow.
Yan ang totoong wasabi.
Thank you, Kuni.
Thank you.
Ang napakasarap din sa Matsusaka na beef sushi. Feeling ko naka-torch lang siya eh.
Yummy, our favorite here of Osaka. Ang M. Matsusaka.
Thank you so much for this trip. Uy, magsapasalamat ka. Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Lou. Domo arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. Mother's Day special.
Oh, thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Ang
Wow.
ganda mo dito, sis. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, Kuni. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuni.
It's Mother's Day, Peanut!
How much do you love Mama? Oh, that much?
Oh, that's a lot.
Mama loves you so much too. Who's Rosie? Oh, very good eating.
그대 미소에 난 취한 것 같아 자꾸만 웃음
Sweet. You like,
Look, Peanut, look. A woof woof.
you want to walk around? Look at the
바랬던 나를 돼 다른 음악이 돼 달콤해 그대와 나는
한 잔에 그냥 콜라다보다 달달한 그 말 사랑해 이 세상 누구보다 더 마음에 이끌림을
Welcome to my bar.
Wow. Wow. Hi! Yan ang childhood ko, Gundam.
Ito ako.
Alin?
Super Mario. Yan talaga nasira buhay ko dahil dyan. Honor student ako
Oh my
dati.
God! Inuyasha!
Ito yung quirky side ng Japan. The hip, the temporary type. Tapos nandun sa kabilang side yung traditional na yung kakain. Tapos, mga
Nakakimono sila.
Yes. Oh! Oh! Sabi ko na nga ba, Happy Mother's Day. Hi!
And syempre may magic sing. Very Filipino.
Ay, oo nga naman. Nagagamit yung pole?
Yes.
Well, depende sa
Gagamitin
guest.
mo
Meron
mamaya.
kami
Well.
Monkina drag shows. One of them is Filipina.
Okay lang to take a video of you guys. Okay lang, okay lang.
So one of them is Filipina. So yeah, she does the performances dito. Sa
Dito. Dapat pala dinala ko dito sila cozy.
Oo nga, no?
Japanese. Gacha is the idea of it.
Wow! Mom! Yeah!
Ayun, yan. Ah,
Wow! Dito tayo. White chocolate.
parang bean ba siya? Marshmallow.
Wow! Thank you! Ang sweet! Literal!
Thank you!
Sweet! Thank you! Thank you,
Love you.
Kanina nag-Mother's Day lunch kami. Ngayon naman dinner. Sarap. Mother's Day dinner.
I love you.
Thank you! Taray!
Di
May
mo
flowers
mawala.
sa Japan.
Thank you.
Thank you! Ang angels mo today, ha? Ah.
Thank you very much. For you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Team Swiss Hotel.
Oo. Favorite cake ko to.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Thank you, Papa.
Monday morning blues. I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side. Everything is beautiful. Tuesday afternoon, I'm calling you home just to hear your voice on the phone. I think of you and I'm not alone. You are everything under the sky so blue. I found my piece of heaven, spending my days with you. You are my piece of heaven. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, life is a bliss.